So we're going to do a little nremt prep and a little teaching. So another student asked the question the other day because they were struggling with the difference between a hemothorax and a pneumothorax. We discussed it, and a great tool is to read your glossary and start picking up on some key terms. With hemothorax and pneumothorax, there's some bits and pieces in there you can pull out. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when you say thorax, we're looking at the thoracic cavity. So we're already into the chest. Now we're talking hemo or pneumo. Well, if we think of hemoglobin, right, that's what's going to help us carry our oxygen, but it's in the blood. So heme, anytime you see heme, you're going to be thinking blood. So a hemothorax is blood accumulated in the sac around your lung in your thoracic cavity. Hemothorax, because it's got to do with blood. Pneumothorax, still got to do with the thorax, but now we're dealing with air. And you can study further and find out the different types of the pneumothorax. But I want you to remember, heme, blood, thorax, thoracic cavity. So if it's asked if it's a pneumothorax or hemothorax, it's going to guide us to what exactly is causing that issue and what signs and symptoms will be associated. Don't forget to read that glossary. Like and subscribe for more.